Hello friends, Tanya here for Trinity Stamps, and today we're going to look at the Deck the Farm stamps and dies. This is an adorable stamp set that has 4 stamps. There's a large image with a gnome on a tractor and a wagon pulling a tree and a bag of goodies. The gnome and tractor image measures 5 inches by 3.6 inches, and there are coordinating dies for all of the parts of this stamp set. I've colored and die cut all of these images for you so you could get a close-up of how they look, and here are a few samples for you to enjoy. This one I created. This one is by Emily, and here we have one from Cassie Trask. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the description box below for links. If you haven't subscribed, do that now, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Until next time, here are a couple more videos we thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.